Hi, third class children. How are you? We are doing activity book now. Now this video also the continuation for activity book children. Page number 17 onwards. Look here. Write the successor of the following numbers. Successor means after numbers. Successor means after numbers. Look here, some numbers are given and asking write the successor of the numbers. What is this number? 4176. What number will comes after this? 4177. Next number 1380. 1380 after 1381. 6738. 6739. 6955. 5 after 6. 6956. 9317. 9318. 8211. 8212. 7147. Which number will come after this? 7148. 5411. 5412. 7265. 7266. These are the successor for these numbers, children. Next one. Write the predecessor of the following number. Predecessor means before number. If you subtract 1 from this, you will get the predecessor. So 3829 before 3828. 3828. 1562 before 1561. So predecessor means before numbers. 6573 before 6572. 2901. 901 before which number will come? 900. 2900. So here only one's place digits will change. The remaining digits are same. 8105 before 8104. 9258 before 9257. 5468 before 5467. 7941 before 7941 before 40 will comes. 4202 before 4201. Next one, children. Write the numbers that comes in between the following numbers. Means between numbers. Which number will comes between these two numbers? 9211, 9213. What is the number that between 9212? Look here. 9211 after number and 9213 before number. Both are same. 9212. Next 1028 after 1029. 2334. 2335. Next 5689 after 5690. These are the between numbers. Next, skip count by 100. Here one number is given and asking skip count by 100. You have to change the hundreds place digit. So 1500 plus 100 how much? 1600. 1600 plus 100? 1700. 1700 plus 100? 1800. 1800 plus 100? 1900. 1900 plus 100? 2000. 2000 plus 100? 2100. 2100 plus 100? 2200. 2200 plus 100? 2300. 2300 plus 100? 2400. 2400 plus 100? 2500. Next one. Skip count by thousands. So here you have to add 1000. 956 plus 1000. How much? 1956. Again add 1000. 1000 plus 1000. 2956 is same. Next again add 1000. 2000 plus 1000. 3956. Again add 1000. 4956. Plus 1000. 5956. Again 1000. 6956. Plus 1000. 7956. Plus 1000. 8956. Plus 1000. 9956. So skip count by thousands means you will add 1000 to the given number and you will get the answer. Again add 1000 to that number. Next, skip count by 50. 250 is given. Plus 50 how much? 300. 300 plus 50? 350. 350 plus 50? 400. 400 plus 50? 450. 450 plus 50? 500. 500 plus 50? 550. 550 plus 50? 600. 600 plus 50? 650. 650 plus 50? 700. 700 plus 50? 750. Next one. Skip count by 10. You have to skip 10 only. 110 plus 10. 120. 10 plus 10? 20. 120 plus 10. 20 plus 10? 30. 130. 130 plus 10. 30 plus 10? 1040. 1040 plus 10? 1050. 1050 plus 10? 1060. 1060 plus 10? 1070. 1070 plus 10? 1080. 1080 plus 10? 1090. 90 plus 10? 1100. 1100 plus 10? 1110. Okay? Next one. Skip count by 20. You will add plus 20. 570 plus 20. 70 plus 20 how much? 90. 500 90 plus 20. 90 plus 20 how much? 110. 110 plus 500. 610. Again add 20. 630. Plus 20. 650. Plus 20. 670. 670 plus 20. 690. 690 plus 20. 710. 710 plus 20. 730. 730 plus 20. 750. 750 plus 20. 770. Next one. Skip count by 500. 2000 is given. 2000 plus 500. 2500. Again add 500. 500 plus 500. 1000. 1000 plus 2000. 3000. 3000 plus 500. 3500. 3500 plus 500. 500 plus 500. 1000. 1000 plus 3000. 4000. 4000 plus 500. 4500. 4500 plus 500. 5000. 5000 plus 500. 5500. 5000 plus 500 plus 500. 6000. 6000 plus 500. 6500. 6500 plus 500. 7000. Next one children. Observe the numbers carefully and complete the series. They are given some numbers and asking to write that series children. Look here. 6470. 6570. How much is increasing here? Plus 100. Here plus 100 is increasing. You will also follow this pattern children. 6570 plus 100. 6670. Again add 100. 6670 plus 100. 6770. 6770 plus 100. 6870. Next. 3208. Next number is not given. Next 5208. So how much, which place is changing here? Thousands place. So here they are adding 1000 to each number. So add 1000 to this number. 3000 plus 1000. 4000. Remaining 3 digits are same. 4208. After 5208. Next again add 1000. 6208. Again add 1000. 7208. Here skip count by 1000. Here skip count by 100. Next one. 1999. Next number is not given. Next 2199. So here I will add 100 to this number children. 9 plus 0. 9. 9 plus 0. 9. 9 plus 1. 10. 1 is carry forward. 1 plus 1. 2. 2099. Again I am adding plus 100 to here. 9 plus 0. 9. 9 plus 0. 9. 0 plus 1. 1. 2 is in thousands place. So here 100 is adding to each number. So 1999. 2099. 2199. After again add 100. 2299. 2399. Next 4520. 5020. How much is increasing here? Plus 500. 500 is increasing. Again add 500 to this number. 5520. Again add last one. 2016. Next two numbers are not given. Third one, look, 5016. Which place digit is changing here? Thousands place digit is changing. So skip count by 1000. Add 1000. 2000 plus 1000. 3000. Remaining digits are same. Next, 4016. 5016. Next, 6016. Up to here you will write in your book, children, like this. So 19th page half is completed, children. Up to here you will write in your book.